Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. So this looked really beautiful, so I bought it. So let's see how this one actually looks in the hand. So this one I bought it for 179, not more than that. So please don't buy it from scalpers and don't encourage them. If you really have that much of money, just go with a good brand like Mini GT or Tarmac, or at least Tommy Cup in that case. But please don't buy these kind of shitty castings for. Okay, I'm not saying every casting is shitty, but Hot Wheels is Hot Wheels, right? So it is not worth 600 or 700 if you ask me. And 180 they are selling now. Okay, fine, but not more than that. Okay, here it is. So out of the box, the first impressions of this car are this looks really nice, and the paint job is really nice. It's a glittery blue, which I personally love. So I love this glittery paint jobs. Okay, the logo placement here, this looks really nice for a change. So I don't see any headlights or taillight details so far. It is just, I'm not sure about the actual car how that looks, but I'm pretty sure this will be having some headlights and taillights, even though it's a concept. So the casting looks really nice, and the entire body is made of metal, which including this spoiler, and the chassis is fully made of plastic, and it has the golden trim around this, cockpit windshield. So these are holes here actually. I think you can see the tires. Sorry, wheels. That looks really nice. Let me just okay. So let's do a roll test real quick. This is a bit wide, but it fits the track. Okay, it rolls really nice. It actually rolls with a little bit of momentum, compared to other cars, Maybe because of the aerodynamics. I don't know. But it does roll really nice. Yeah, it is really nice. It rolls really nice. So I'm glad that I picked up this particular casting. So if you guys are wondering whether you want to buy this one or not, personally I liked it. So if you really want my opinion, go ahead and buy it. So this looks really cool, and the paint job is really nice. I'm not sure if they are going to recolor this casting, whether it is going to be look this cool, but this one looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.